right, so they've got the mailbox done today. This was a cool project. They've got the shell done, so the steel mailbox that we ordered will be here tomorrow. So they've got this pretty much all ready to go. And we'll have a better update on this tomorrow when the mailbox gets here. Let's take a look at the front porch. So this is the status of the front porch at the moment. They've got this all jackhammered up, ready to go. So they are going to pour this tomorrow as well. Really looking forward to seeing this. So let's take a look at the sidewalk here. All right, so looking at the sidewalk, they've got our garbage can retaining wall kind of set up now too. We've got our sidewalk ready. Now let's go take a look at the patio because they actually did finish that up today. And here we go. This is the final finish here. And they did an awesome job on this today. It was really, really cool. I don't know what I was expecting, but this came out really, really nice. I am just getting super, super excited to see this project finish. Although hilariously enough, while I was putting my shoes on to come outside, I watched our neighborhood stray cat just walk across this, and there's teeny tiny little paw marks in there, so thanks for that. So I got our steps done. I mean, obviously I can't walk on this and show you, they just stamped it this morning, but this is what we've got going on so far. They do have the forms set up on the top of the steps here, which are pretty cool. These are going to also be a dyed and stamped top cap here, and then they're going to start laying some stone on the inside of this wall, but steps are cured. Those are good to go. So I'm guessing tomorrow, depending on the availability of Mike's carpenter, they're going to get the door in. So really looking forward to seeing this stuff all finished up. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next one.